Today we are back with another video in our series. Our topic for today is alcoholism. Alcoholism, now known as alcohol use disorder, is problem drinking that has become severe. A person with this condition does not know when to or how to stop drinking despite knowing the ill effects it is causing in his or her life. Therefore, it is important to be aware of where you stand with alcohol use, as anyone could easily slip from social drinking to problem drinking, and if unchecked, it can move ahead to reach more serious levels. Let us look into what are the warning signs of problem drinking. Craving for alcohol. There are times when you want to drink so badly that you can't think about anything else until you get that drink. The strong need or urge can be triggered by people, places, things, or times of the day that remind you of drinking. Certain emotions or physical sensations can also trigger a craving. Drink more than planned. There are times when you ended up drinking more than you thought you would. It may not seem like a big deal if it happens only once in a while, but that shows you have trouble controlling yourself while drinking. Spend a lot of time drinking. You may end up cancelling important appointments just to get to your drinking. Your hobbies and other activities may get skipped. Tolerance level has increased. The usual quantity of alcohol is not enough to give you the same high as before. You start needing more quantity of alcohol to reach the same level of high as you used to get. Losing out on life. As a result of drinking, you tend to miss deadlines at work and other appointments. The hangover keeps you from fulfilling your responsibilities at home and at work and maintaining important relations. Frictions in relationship. Your trouble in family starts. You love your family, but still you can't keep away from alcohol. You start having withdrawal. As the effects of alcohol wear off, you may have trouble sleeping, shakiness, irritability, anxiety, depression, restlessness, nausea, or sweating. You start making bad decisions and you're unable to think of the consequences of your action. You get into risky and dangerous situations. It starts affecting your physical health. You don't feel hungry as before. You feel a drink will help you with your anxiety or confidence or some other ailments. You start making excuses for yourself to get a drink. You need an eye-opener drink. You need a drink as soon as you wake up, or you feel you cannot proceed with your day. So what really happens inside the brain? Alcohol functions as a depressant for the central nervous system, meaning that it slows down brain functioning and neural activity. When ingested, alcohol interacts directly and indirectly with a wide range of neurotransmitters such as GABA, glutamate, dopamine, and serotonin. The intake of alcohol activates the pleasure pathway in the brain. The main center of drug activation in the brain is connected to the other parts of the brain, which is involved in functions such as control of emotions, memory, and gratification. Alcohol produces euphoria by stimulating this area of the brain. Drug or alcohol intake that leads to activation of brain reward system are reinforced. Hence, further use of substance is promoted. The exposure of the brain to an addictive substance alters its neurochemical structure and results in a number of behavioral effects. Alcohol levels and its effect on the body. Let us look into something interesting. At a level of 0.05% alcohol in the blood, thought, judgment, and restraint are loosened and sometimes disrupted. At a concentration of 0.1%, voluntary motor actions usually become visibly clumsy. At 0.2%, the function of the entire motor area of the brain is measurably depressed and the parts of the brain that control emotional behavior are also affected. At 0.3%, a person is commonly confused or may become stuporous. At 0.4 to 0.5%, the person falls into a coma. At higher levels, the primitive centers of the brain that control breathing and heart rate are affected. How to get help? Self-help. There are 4 triggers that you can keep in mind. They are called HALT. H for hunger. Keep your stomach full. Empty stomach is a trigger. A for anger. Keep check on your anger levels. L for loneliness. The more isolated you stay, the more would be the craving. T for tiredness. Fatigability is often a trigger. Make sure you do not tire yourself beyond what you can take. Taking help from family members. Keep an open communication. Include your close family and friends in your problem. Do not be silent about your problem. Take help from family to maintain a daily schedule. Be accountable to them. Use the help of friends and family to distract yourself when you get cravings. Seek professional help. When you know you have tried and are still unable to keep yourself in check, do not be in denial. Get professional help. With this, we have come to the end of our video. You can now see on your screen a simple screening questionnaire to identify potential problems with alcohol. Please answer yes or no to the questions. These answers are not for anyone else but for your own reference. If you find yourself answering yes to any of the questions, then kindly seek help.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel for more of such information nuggets.